Problem number 2 from page number 14. Raman's shop. A column is given with list of things. Their corresponding price is given in second column and the sales during the last year is given in the third column. Apples. Price of apples per kg, which means price of apples for 1 kg is rupees 40. How many kgs are sold last year? 2457 kg of apples are sold last year. Similarly, for oranges, rupees 30 per kg. And how many kilograms of oranges are sold? 3004 kilograms are sold. Similarly, all the details are given in the question. Go through the question carefully. Now, subdivision A, problem number 2 from page 14 is, can you find the total weight of apples and oranges Raman sold last year? Weight of apples is equal to 2457 kg. Weight of oranges is equal to 3004 kg. We got these two values from the table column given in the question. Therefore, total weight of apples and oranges is equal to sum of these two quantities, which is equal to 2457 kg plus 3004 kg. And adding these two quantities, we get 5461 kg. 2b. Can you find that total money Raman got by selling apples? Only for apples. Cost of apple for 1 kg is given and total quantity of apples sold is given. What is that? 2457 kg. So, cost of apple for 1 kg is rupees 40. It is given. Cost of apple for the total weight of apples, that is 2457 kg, is 2457 times cost of apple for 1 kg, that is rupees 40 here. So 2457 into rupees 40 is equal to rupees 98,280. This is the total money Raman got by selling apples. To see, can you find the total money Raman got by selling apples and oranges together? For that, we have to find total money Raman got by selling apples and total money Raman got by selling oranges individually. Then we have to add them both. Price of 1 kg of apples is rupees 40. Price of the total quantity of apples is price of 2457 kg of apples, that is 2457 times price of 1 kilogram of apple, that is 40. So rupees 98,280. Price of 1 kg of orange is equal to rupees 30. So price of total quantity of oranges is 3004 kilogram in total. So in multiplied by price of oranges for 1 kg is rupees 30. So multiplying these two numbers, we get rupees 90,120. So this is the amount Raman got by selling oranges. So the total money Raman got by selling apples and oranges together is equal to sum of 98,280 and 90,120. So we get rupees 1,88,400 in total. So this is the required answer. Next, make a table showing how much money Raman received from selling each item. So for that, write the table column with three columns as given in the question, and we have to make one more column with the title money received. So what is the cost of all the apples? Okay, money received by selling apples is quantity of apples into price per quantity. For apple we get 2457 into rupees 40, that is rupees 98,280. For oranges 3004 kilogram into rupees 30 per kg. So multiplying these two numbers we get rupees 90,120. So this is the amount Raman received by selling oranges. For combs, 22,760 combs are sold at the price of rupees 3 for one comb. So multiplying these two numbers we get rupees 68,280. For toothbrushes, quantity sold into price is equal to 25,367 into rupees 10 is equal to 2,53,670. Similarly, for pencils and notebooks we have given the product values. So the next question is 2D. Arrange the entries of amount of money received in descending order. Arrange the entries of amount of money received in descending order. You know, descending order is the arrangement of numbers from largest to smallest. From the table column we observe 2,53,670 is the largest amount of money received. Okay, so it should be written first. The next biggest value is 2,40,012 rupees and 1,60,040 rupees, 98,280, 90,120, 68,280, 38,530. Find the item which brought him the highest amount. Find the item. See, toothbrushes. See, toothbrushes has brought more amount. It has 2 lakhs plus by selling toothbrushes. How much is this amount? 2,53,670. Okay, here we have not included rupee symbol, but it is better to include rupee symbol. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching.